Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by registering for an Rbi Retail Direct account and finishing eKYC right away so you can trade without delays. Link your PAN, Aadhaar, and the bank account you will debit. This ties settlement and tax records correctly. Once done, set a secure username, password, and transaction PIN. Make sure to authorize the debit mandate so bids can be funded automatically. This initial verification matters, because without a validated account and mandate, you cannot participate in auctions or secondary market trades. You now select whether to participate in a primary auction or buy on the secondary market. Compare yield, tenor, and liquidity to match your goals. For auctions, decide competitive versus non-competitive bidding. Competitive sets your yield, non-competitive accepts auction yield for guaranteed allotment up to limits. Enter amounts, prices, or yields, then review and submit the basket. Make sure available funds cover the bid. Once submitted, monitor allotment messages and confirmations so you know execution and expected settlement dates. Complete the process by tracking settlement and confirming the securities appear in your holdings. Coupons and redemptions auto-credit or settle per schedule, so reconcile statements against bank entries. Download trade confirmations and tax documents for record-keeping and reporting. If something goes wrong, failed debit, missing allotment, or login problems, first verify your KYC and mandate status, then contact support with your UIN and transaction ID. This speeds resolution versus vague descriptions and prevents avoidable delays in settlement or resubmission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.